Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to make a web server with NodeMcu module. It is a low-cost open-source IoT platform, initially included firmware, which runs on ESP8266 Wi-Fi SoC from Expressive Systems. It has got a memory of 128 kilobytes. This is the web server, which is hosted by our NodeMcu module in the local IP. It is so simple to make this project because the NodeMcu has XTOS as the operating system. So I thought of making a web server which runs on our LAN network.
This video is sponsored by Tomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from.
Right now the web server I am showing only works on a LAN network, and by using the capabilities of port forwarding, we can access the web server from a wide area network. It is a topic for a future project. Open Google Chrome and search for HTML template. Open the first result from W3 Schools. Scroll down until you find the best template you like. Here I got it. I will use the analytics template for my project. To get it, click on Try It Yourself and edit the HTML code as per your requirement. Then click on Run to see the effect. As you can see, the name was changed because I have edited the HTML code. After that, copy the HTML code. Paste the HTML code in C++ string converter. After that, click the convert button to convert it as C++ string. Then, copy the whole C++ string . Paste the C++ string in double quotes in the Arduino code. After that, type the SSID and password. Then go to Tools, select the board name and COM port. Then hit Upload. Open the serial monitor. Once the NodeMcu would connect to the network, we would get our IP address. Then copy the IP address by using Ctrl+C. Then go to Google Chrome and place the IP address so that you can see the web server which you have created in your local IP. Right now we haven't uploaded any image, that's why they all are blank. This is the simple way to make a web server. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.